Hello friends. In this video, we will learn how to remove punctuation characters from a text. Punctuation contains characters like colon, semicolon, comma, and so on. In Python, we can implement that easily with the help of the string library. So first, we will import the string library. In that, we have a predefined string constant called a punctuation. We can access that as string.punctuation. And when we print that, we are going to get list of all the punctuation characters. If you consider here, we have comma, then colon, semicolon, then double quotes, exclamation character, and so on. When I print the type of this, I am getting this as an object of the class string. Now we are going to write a user-defined function, remove underscore punctuation, and this function is going to accept a string as an argument. It will remove all the punctuation characters from that string and return the resultant string to the user back. So let's first define the function by means of the def keyword. After that, we are going to give the name of the function. Here, the name of the function is remove underscore punctuation. This function is going to accept one argument, that is a string. Here, I'm going to give the argument as text, and every function definition is going to end with colon. Now, I'm going to write the function with the help of list comprehension. If you want to know more about list comprehension, you can refer my previous video. The link for the video is given in the description box. So in this, if you consider I'm having a for loop, in the for loop, I'm going to consider every character in this text. So I'm writing now for char in text. Now what is my aim is when I get the character, I have to check whether it is not in punctuation. So I am checking if char not in string.punctuation. That means that I have a character which is not a punctuation character. So what is my aim is I need to get the character and create another list. So I'm getting the character here, and that is stored in a new list called cleaned underscore text. This is written inside square brackets. This is now list comprehension. When I print clean text, I'm going to get the text without the punctuation characters. Now let us call this function by passing an argument. Here, I'm initializing text as I'm so excited to watch ICC Men's T20 World Cup final. It has so many punctuation characters. Actually, these double quotes are going to declare this as string. And if you consider this string, it is having in I am one apostrophe. After that, in men's also one apostrophe is there. Then after final, we have so many exclamation characters. All these are punctuation characters. We need to remove all these things. Now I need to call the function remove underscore punctuation by passing this text as the argument. And finally, this function is going to return a final output that will be stored in text1. Then I will print text1. Now let us call this function by passing this text. When you see here, I am printing the clean text. In that, it is returning me a list. List contains all the characters with all the punctuation characters removed. First letter is I am getting that. After that, this apostrophe is not there. Then I'm getting the next character M. After that, I am getting this space. I'm not removing any space because space is not in this punctuation list. So spaces are written as such. So it is going to remove this apostrophe, the exclamation marks at the end. So in this, I'm getting individual characters as a members of a list. But I need to get the string back. So what I'm going to do is, once I get a list of all the clean characters, I'm going to create a clean string. For that, I need to use the function join. In Python, the join function is going to join all the members that are present in the list. So here, this is a list. The list has so many individual characters. We are going to join all the characters. When we join the members of the list, we have to tell how we are going to separate the members from each other. Since we are going to construct the sentence back, we don't want any extra special character between the members. So I am going to join them with the help of empty separator. So here, if you give here the separator as hash, between two members in the list, it is going to add this hash character. But I want to get the original string back without any special character. So I am going to join them with the help of empty separator. So for this join method, I have to pass this list which we have created, that is clean text. Once it is passed, it is going to join all the characters in that particular list and it is going to create a clean string. Then we can return the clean string from this function. Now let me comment this print statement. Here, after calling the function, I am getting the answer, and that is stored in text1. That is nothing but the clean string written from this function. Then I am printing it. Let me run this code now. Here I am getting, I'm so excited to watch ICC Men's T20 World Cup final. If you compare this with our original string, this apostrophe is removed, and then this apostrophe is removed. After that, the 6 exclamation characters are removed. So we have easily removed all the punctuation characters in a string with the help of string.punctuation by writing user-defined function.